Welcome back to Davil AI Matrix, where we explore the absolute cutting edge of artificial intelligence filmmaking and digital storytelling. Today we are diving deep into Higgsfield Cinema Studio, a revolutionary tool designed to make you feel like a true director. Imagine replacing a truckload of heavy, expensive cinema equipment with a powerful software suite that lives right inside your computer. This tutorial will guide you through every single step of mastering this platform, transforming your creative vision into cinematic reality. Higgsfield is not just an image generator, it is a comprehensive directing suite that simulates real-world physics and optical characteristics. Using this tool feels exactly like owning legendary equipment such as the Arri Alexa camera body or vintage Panavision lenses. The core philosophy here is the hero frame workflow, which prioritizes creating a perfect static image before adding any motion. By establishing your visual style with a still image first, you ensure complete control over lighting, composition, and artistic direction. This approach eliminates the chaos of random generation, ensuring that your final animation remains true to your original artistic vision. Let us start setting up our virtual equipment by selecting the camera body, which determines the texture and dynamic range. Choosing the Arri Alexa gives you that pristine, high-budget Hollywood look with incredible color depth and smooth highlight roll-off. Alternatively, selecting the Arri Alexa 16SR introduces heavy film grain and organic imperfections, perfect for indie films or nostalgic flashbacks. The difference is striking, allowing you to dictate the emotional tone of your story simply by swapping the virtual camera. Next, we move to the glass, selecting the lens and focal length, which drastically changes how space is perceived. Selecting an anamorphic lens creates those iconic horizontal lens flares and oval bokeh, giving your footage a true blockbuster aesthetic. For a more grounded and realistic perspective, a standard 35mm lens offers a versatile angle suitable for most scenes. Wide-angle lenses expand the background, making environments feel vast and epic. But be careful of distorting your subject's face. Telephoto lenses compress space, bringing the background closer to your subject and isolating them for dramatic and emotional effect. Now we adjust the aperture, a critical setting that controls how much of your scene is actually in sharp focus. A wide aperture like f1.4 creates a shallow depth of field, blurring everything except your main focal point. Conversely, a narrow aperture keeps everything in focus, which is essential for establishing shots where the environment is important. Mastering aperture also allows you to control bokeh, those beautiful out-of-focus light orbs that add magic to night scenes. One of the biggest challenges in AI video is keeping faces consistent, but Higgsfield solves this with its character consistency tools. By uploading multiple reference images of your actor, you teach the AI exactly what your character looks like from all angles. The system locks onto these facial features, ensuring that your protagonist looks exactly the same across every single generated scene. This stability is crucial for storytelling, as it prevents the jarring experience of seeing a character's face morph randomly. Without this feature, your audience would be confused, but with it, you can build a genuine emotional connection with characters. Now let us bring the scene to life with camera movement, giving you the power of a virtual cinematographer. A dolly in moves the camera physically closer to the subject, increasing intimacy and focusing the audience's attention on emotions. A dolly out pulls away, revealing the environment and often signifying isolation or the end of a significant narrative beat. Panning rotates the camera horizontally, perfect for following moving subjects or revealing information that was previously off-screen to the side. Tilting angles the camera up or down, useful for revealing the scale of a building or the power dynamic between characters. An orbit shot circles around the subject, creating a dynamic, dizzying effect that emphasizes the subject's importance in the scene. Complex moves like a jib down simulate a crane lowering the camera, adding high production value and verticality to shots. You can even combine these movements, mixing a dolly with a tilt to create sophisticated multi-axis cinematic shots easily. The result is a fluid, complex camera maneuver that would typically require a skilled operator and expensive grip equipment. Let us talk about the budget. Renting an Arri Alexa package and lenses can cost thousands of dollars per day. Traditional filmmaking requires insurance, crew, transport, and logistics, ballooning the budget before you even roll the camera. With AI tools like Higgsfield, you bypass these physical barriers, saving tens of thousands of dollars on every single project. This democratization of technology means that your budget no longer dictates the quality or scale of your storytelling vision. Whether you are creating a sci-fi epic, a historical drama, or a music video, the only limit is your imagination. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era where one person can act as writer, director, and cinematographer. Higgsfield Cinema Studio is not replacing creativity, it is amplifying it, giving you the tools to compete with major studios. As we prepare to render our final scene, remember that mastering these technical parameters is key to artistic freedom. The speed at which you can iterate and experiment allows for a learning curve that is much faster than traditional film. Every tool we discussed today helps build a cohesive world, from the lens choice down to the specific camera movement. Never forget the hero frame philosophy. It is your anchor in the chaotic sea of generative artificial intelligence video creation. Keep experimenting with different combinations of camera bodies and lenses to find a signature look that defines your style. Use character consistency to tell longer, more complex stories involving recurring cast members without fear of identity loss. The barrier to entry for high-end filmmaking has crumbled and the power is now firmly in your hands. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thank you for watching Davil AI Matrix. We are excited to see the masterpieces you will create with these tools. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. See you in the next video. Wait, we have a bonus tip. Lighting is just as important as the camera. Adjust your key light carefully. You can simulate classic lighting setups like Rembrandt or butterfly lighting to flatter your subjects and enhance the mood. Backlighting separates your subject from the background, adding depth and a professional sheen to your AI-generated cinematics. Also, do not forget to set your aspect ratio early. CinemaScope gives a movie feel, while vertical is for social. Choosing the right frame shape is vital for composition. Ensure your subject fits well within your chosen canvas boundaries. Planning your transitions during the generation phase helps you stitch clips together much more smoothly in post-production. Even though the AI generates great colors, a little bit of color grading can truly unify your final sequence. Treat your AI footage like raw camera files. Add contrast, saturation, and style to make it truly your own. Be aware of common AI artifacts. If you see glitchy hands or floating objects, regenerate the clip immediately. Do not settle for the first result. The beauty of AI is that you can regenerate until it is perfect. You can also generate footage in slow motion to emphasize dramatic moments or to smooth out fast-paced action scenes. Always use the upscale feature for your final export. It adds crispness and detail that defines professional quality video. Organize your generated clips carefully. Good file management saves you hours of headache when you start assembling your movie. Once generated, bring your clips into a traditional editor to add sound design, music, and final narrative structure. Sound is half the picture. AI video is silent, so your sound design is what will truly sell the realism. When you combine high-quality AI visuals with immersive sound design, the audience will forget they are watching computer generation. Join the community of creators. Sharing your work and seeing what others create is the best way to learn. The software is constantly updating. Stay tuned for new features that will give you even more control over your scenes. The future might even allow us to step inside these movies using VR, bridging the gap between creator and audience. To recap, choose your camera body, pick the right lens, lock your character, and move the camera with purpose. These are the keys to the kingdom. You now possess the knowledge to direct scenes that were previously impossible. The only thing left to do is to start creating. Do not wait for the perfect idea, just start generating. Experiment with different genres and characters. The versatility of this tool is its greatest strength, so use it fully. From intimate emotional dramas to massive fantasy worlds, your directorial debut is now just a few clicks away. We are proud to guide you on this journey. Davil AI Matrix is committed to bringing you the best tutorials. Please like this video if you learned something new and share it with a friend who loves filmmaking. Comment below and tell us what kind of movie you are planning to make first with Higgsfield Cinema Studio. In our next video, we will explore how to use AI to write the perfect script for your new movie. That is a wrap for today's session. Thank you for sticking with us until the very end of this tutorial. This has been Davil AI Matrix, empowering your creativity through artificial intelligence. Goodbye and happy filmmaking to you all.